In Hypixel Skyblock, farming cocoa beans can be a great way to earn coins. The best place to farm them are on your own island and at Jungle Island. To make a cocoa bean farm on your island, start by placing dirt blocks in a grid. Next, plant jungle saplings. Make sure to leave about 4 blocks between each sapling so they have room to grow. I'm going to leave everything in the description. When the saplings grow into trees, cocoa beans will appear on the sides. You can harvest them easily. At Jungle Island, you can find wild cocoa beans, but building your own farm is usually better. Using a builder's wand can help you place blocks faster. Make sure to use tools with efficiency, enhancement to harvest the beans more quickly. You can also use cocoa beans minions on your island to collect beans automatically, even when you're not playing. So this can help you gather more beans over time. Farming cocoa beans can really help you earn money in the game. So focus on creating a good farm and upgrading your minions as you play.